How's everybody doing? I'm out in the shop tonight just hitting a few balls around and testing out something new I've been working on. Um, I've added magnets to the bottom of the square golf stand. And by doing so, you can stick it to the slides on the slider. But the biggest thing you can do is if you got like a buddy that's left-handed, you can just pick the whole thing up with these magnets on it and put it on the spot you got set aside for him over here marked out. And you'll have it set for left and it'll pick up his ball about right there and he can hit one right into the screen. So in my situation, 2 sliders would be useless because I only have 1 hitting strip and a mat. But if you had a strip on both sides, you could use 2 sliders. But as it is, you can just set this one up and level it to the floor as that one is, because this one on this side is leveled this way because the floor slants that way. And this one over here, you'd need to level it and do the same to get it right. Make your mat flat. That makes a big difference because let me ask you something. Have you ever been on a tee box on any golf course in your life that the tee box wasn't flat? Any. Just let me, if you do find one, let me know about it. Because in the rules of golf, it says that the teeing ground is supposed to be flat. So, I mean, that's what the rules say. So, but anyway, you see this? We're on the left. We can set up right there. We got marks on this to mark it. And what I made is I hot glued some washers onto there. You set that on it just like that, and it grabs it so it doesn't move around. I mean, it's not real strong. It's not going to hold it from falling all the way off. I mean, but it does grab it pretty good. And so when you set it on the table over here, it's going to work fine. Now, what am I doing testing tonight? Well, I know it picks up on the left side because I've already tested that. But are the magnets going to affect it over time? It's running over a period of time. I don't know till I test it. So that's what we're doing. But if I was going to do this for something, have friends over, I would get me a nice little board. I would paint it black so it would sit over here, and I'd put my little washers on it. When my buddies come, I'd put it right on here for them so they could play. And then it'd be out of my way. I could put it up and get it out of the way when I didn't need it. Now, as far as leveling it, put you a couple of feet in it to level it with, just like we do our regular stands, so you can give it a little of this and get it up. Or you could just prop a magazine under it if you want to, okay? But get it level. Put the level on it, get it level. Now, I'm going to go back to where I want to play. Now, I've got my cord in the way. Let me move this cord. Now, when you bring this over, you see the magnets. All you got to do is put it on the stand. Line it up with the front edge, which makes it square with the room, and you're ready to play. Now, I'm going to put my power cord back in before I forget about it and go in the house and leave it uncharged. Now, I need to explain something to y'all about that right there. I turned that one on when I got it in September last year. And I have not physically turned it off except to reset it or work with it or whatever. I haven't turned it off and leave it off for days or whatever. I leave it on all the time because I'm going to see what happens. I mean, we're going to burn it up. They're going to quit. Well, that's okay. I got another one because I bought one from somebody that broke the screen in it and they sold it to me pretty cheap. And now I make screens, so we got that covered. But yeah, let's just hit one up here. It's 45. Let's see if we can get one up there. Right now, it's not picking up. I think I got it in the wrong place. There we go. Now, 45. Let's see if we can get one up there and go from this. Boom. In there, baby. Oh, darn. Okay. Well, that's the way you do that. I believe I can make that putt, don't y'all? Especially from how close as I am there. Let's see what number 2 brings us. Number 2 is going to be 40. Okay, I'll just use this lob wedge again. There we go. There's number 2. Three. Hold on. 3. 45 over the bushes. Okay. That's the one. don't think I'll get much closer tonight than that. 56 downhill. Okay. Back in there, baby. Yeah, come on, in the hole. Get in. Woo! Now that's a statement, ain't it? I said, don't guess I'll get no closer tonight. And in the next hole, I hit it in the dang hole. I'll live with that, boys. Yes, I will. I'll live with that. Let's keep moving. That was not bad. 14 here. What we got? I knew I was on the line pretty good. It's uphill a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit wedge. This may be good too. Get in there, baby. Boom! That's 3 in a row that I really made nice shots. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's go to 15. 65 downhill. This is probably about right. Yeah. Oh, 16. That's 61. Okay. That's right beside it. That's close enough. Let's go 17. Hit it between that tree. We got to go over. Yeah, there it is. Got to go to gap. Let's get the last one and be done with it. 18, number 45. Okay. Change clubs. Go back to a 60. I'll take that. Okay, dudes. The whole idea of this video was to show y'all that you can move from over there to over there by just magnetically moving it. And well, I done that and I made a hole in one, and well, that's okay. Y'all be good. I'm going to head on in the house here. I've had enough. Had a lot of fun. I hadn't played in a while, and that's the first time I've had a hole in one in about 6 months. So, yeah. So now I'm going to put on my glass and sit down at the computer a little bit, and then I'm going to go to bed. But y'all take it easy. Be careful. I'll see you next time, okay? I got to get out here and go. Yeah, I'm tired. Oh, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and that thing up button, that thumbs up thing. And if you got any questions, please ask them. And if you got any comments, please just talk trash about my gal club if you want to. I don't care. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Okay? Y'all be good, guys. See you later.